Windows play a vital role in how a home looks, feels, and performs. When windows no longer fit properly or fail to meet modern comfort needs, homeowners start noticing everyday issues like drafts, inconsistent temperatures, and reduced usability of certain rooms. For homeowners in Redmond, custom-fit replacement windows are becoming a popular solution for addressing these concerns while improving overall comfort and home performance. The limitations of standard window sizes. Many older homes were built with window openings that don't match today's standard sizes. Over time, homes also settle, which can cause openings to shift slightly. In Redmond homes, standard replacement windows often require fillers or adjustments that compromise fit. Even small gaps can lead to air leaks and reduced comfort. Custom-fit windows eliminate this issue by matching the exact dimensions of each opening. Why proper fit makes such a big difference? A window that fits precisely performs better in every way. Proper fit allows the window to seal tightly against the frame, reducing unwanted air movement. Redmond homeowners upgrading to custom-fit replacement windows often notice immediate improvements. Drafts near windows decrease, and rooms feel more comfortable without constant temperature adjustments. Improving comfort room by room. Poorly fitting windows can create hot or cold spots throughout the home. Some rooms may feel comfortable, while others remain drafty or difficult to regulate. Custom-fit replacement windows help Redmond homes achieve more balanced indoor conditions. Each window is tailored to its specific opening, supporting consistent comfort across all living spaces. Supporting better energy performance. When windows leak air, indoor systems must work harder to maintain comfort. This leads to increased energy use and unnecessary wear. By eliminating gaps and ensuring a tight seal, custom-fit replacement windows support better energy performance. Redmond homeowners appreciate homes that maintain comfort more efficiently throughout the day. Enhancing everyday usability near windows. Drafts and temperature fluctuations often make areas near windows uncomfortable. Seating areas, workspaces, or bedrooms near poorly fitting windows may go unused. Custom-fit replacement windows help Redmond homeowners reclaim these spaces. Improved comfort allows for better furniture placement and more enjoyable daily use of the home. Preserving the home's original design. Older homes often have unique architectural features that standard windows can't replicate. Custom-fit windows allow homeowners to preserve these details. In Redmond, homeowners value upgrades that enhance comfort without altering the home's character. Custom-fit replacement windows maintain the original proportions and style while delivering modern performance. Reducing long-term maintenance concerns. Windows that don't fit properly often require frequent adjustments or repairs. Over time, these issues can become frustrating and costly. Custom-fit replacement windows reduce these maintenance concerns by maintaining proper alignment and seal. Redmond homeowners enjoy reliable performance without ongoing fixes. Improving noise control and indoor peace. Gaps around windows allow outside noise to travel indoors more easily. This can disrupt relaxation and focus. By fitting snugly within the opening, custom-fit windows help reduce noise intrusion. Redmond homeowners notice quieter interiors and a more peaceful home environment. Long-term value through tailored solutions. Custom-fit replacement windows are an investment in long-term comfort. Their tailored design helps them perform consistently year after year. Redmond homeowners appreciate solutions that address their home's unique needs rather than forcing a one-size-fits-all approach. A smart upgrade for lasting comfort. Upgrading windows isn't just about appearance, it's about performance and daily comfort. For homeowners in Redmond, custom-fit replacement windows offer a practical solution to common window problems. By improving fit, reducing drafts, and supporting balanced indoor temperatures, these windows create homes that feel more comfortable, efficient, and enjoyable every day.